because I had to paste the 65. It's 55 here.
There's no way I was 65, but I've got it on here and I can verify it, so that's fine. But I absolutely know I wasn't going 65. So
okay, I had to paste, sir. We don't lie, sir.
At around 3:30 in the morning, after just finishing his shift, Dashman was driving home along Briley Parkway in Tennessee. Even on the quiet, nearly empty road at that late hour, he wasn't taking any chances. Dashman is the kind of driver who prefers to play it safe. He set his cruise control and kept his speed steady at 55 miles per hour, exactly at the posted limit. But that's not all. Inside his vehicle, he had 2 GoPro cameras along with a dash cam running the entire time. The dash cam's GPS speed indicator continuously displayed his real-time speed, and the number remained consistently locked at 55 miles per hour. Then, something interesting became obvious. After pulling over to the side of the road, Dashman noticed multiple vehicles flying past him on the highway, many of them clearly moving much faster than the speed limit. In that moment, one thing became clear. Dashman wasn't the one driving too fast. In fact, he may have been one of the very few drivers actually following the speed limit on that road.
What? For me?
Good evening, sir.
Hi there.
Or good morning, I guess. Where are you going? Where are you going to? Where are you heading for?
Why did you pull me over?
Because I had to paste the 65. It's 55 here.
There's no way I was 65, but I've got it on here and I can verify it, so that's fine. If I need a ticket for it, I'll bring this in because it'll show that I wasn't.
That's fine. That's fine.
It's got GPS.
That's your right.
But I absolutely know I wasn't going 65. So
okay, I had to paste, sir. So
well, you didn't.
That's fine. You can tell. You know. You can.
Well, I won't. I'll bring the video, and the video will show exactly how fast I was going.
Just give me your driver's license and proof of insurance.
You want to write me up for that high? That's pretty ridiculous because it's not even.
I never said I was going to write you up, but I definitely got to pull you over because you definitely were speeding. Okay.
All right. Well, I don't feel like I was. I mean, I'm not trying to be totally argumentative, but I knew that was definitely not the right speed, so that's for sure.
Well, you weren't doing 55. Let me put it that way.
Yeah, I believe I was.
Okay. Well, you can tell that to somebody else.
Because
give me your
I'll bring the video if I have to. If I don't get a ticket, then cool. But I mean, I'm meticulous about how I drive and the speed that I go. So.
That's good. I wish more people were like that. Thank you.
So I know I wasn't speeding, but here's this if you want to check everything. Oh, you need registration as well? You need registration as well?
I just need a license. That's okay. Thank you. I'll be right back.
Thank you, sir. Total, complete bullshit. Yeah, I got pulled over and I wasn't even speeding.
Well,
and thankfully I've got my dash cam and it records everything and shows the GPS and the miles per, or the miles per hour. So I'll get out of the ticket.
Yeah.
But I mean, he shouldn't even give it to me. It's only going to be an embarrassment. I'm on Briley, I'm right near the water park, wherever the water slide is. You know, the water slide. Yeah. I'm sitting here with the cop behind me though. But I mean, that's just freaking ridiculous.
Yeah. Well, love you.
Love you too. Love you too.
Bye.
Bye. You're gonna try to give me a ticket for that high? I'm gonna prove you wrong. Yeah, watching the video, whoever's watching the video, I am talking to myself, but I'm talking for the benefit of the video. For my thoughts at the moment. I don't like being pulled over for no reason. Or for a made-up reason.
All right, sir. Everything looks good to me. So I got no problem with it. Just slow down a little bit, okay? All right. Just between you and me.
I will.
I appreciate you don't do 75 like some dudes.
No, I wasn't doing that.
I know you didn't. I would write your ticket.
I wasn't even going 60. I appreciate you. I do appreciate you. That's why I have this, so I can always be sure.
You might want to recalibrate that because mine doesn't lie. I promise you.
Well, you didn't say you radared me. You said
no. I pace you.
So that's not pointing at equipment. Pacing
but just
a
little future reference. If I would write you a ticket for that and I pace you, and a police officer tells the court to the judge, you know what, I paced him and say, we don't lie, sir. You know, I mean, I believe.
Well, you can't pace me from that far back. That's the whole thing. You can't.
Well, I was way back by Lebanon Pike when I started pacing. Okay.
Well, you don't pace.
And this is almost 2 rivers, so that's quite the stretch, to be honest with you. You were not over 10 miles an hour over. Okay. That's the reason I don't write your ticket, because I don't want to mess with you. Everything checks out. Your license is good.
All right.
You ain't got no big record or nothing, so we're all good. Just
well, thank you. I appreciate you guys keeping the streets safe.
We will.
You know.
We will. I mean, you know how it is on Bradley Parkway, sir. If you drive here a lot,
oh yeah,
you see dudes doing 90 on here.
Oh,
so
yeah.
that's what we're trying to enforce.
Well, here's the deal. I have a YouTube channel, and I got video after video after video of me going the speed limit and everybody whipping by, and it's like I don't feel safe.
Yeah.
But I don't speed up to go with them. I still keep going.
And that's good. And we need more drivers like you then.
You know, and especially on 65, when they made 65 down to 45 between Dickerson Pike and Trinity Lane, nobody was doing that. Everybody was trying to do 65 and 70, and I'm over on the right going 45 because it was construction zone, feeling like I'm going to get destroyed.
We should have more drivers like you, sir. Yeah. And that's honest. I mean, that's straight from the heart. That's honest.
Well, I appreciate you. I appreciate your time. I'd rather get you out there catching somebody doing something wrong.
Oh, we will.
I don't want to take. I don't want to keep you too long.
We've been at it all night. You wouldn't believe how busy we are.
Yeah.
And I was just passing by, and I go up to Opry and Two Rivers and patrol that area, and you just have to be my way.
I'm actually grabbing my kids right now. So.
Oh, okay.
It's a weird thing to grab in the middle. I just got off work, so it's weird to grab in the middle of the night. But it's. I live further north, and I want to take them to church, and it's hard to drive all the way back to their mom's house and pick them up before church. So
I got you.
I'm gonna get. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know what? I wish you a good church visit.
Thank you.
Me myself can't make it because I'd probably be asleep. But
yeah, I should. But I'm going to get like 3 hours, and then I'll go to church, and then I'll sleep after.
Okay. Well, good. All right. Well, you have a good day. Okay.
Thank you.
Right.
I'll try not to peel out when I go.
In this situation, the officer pulled the man over claiming he was speeding using a method called pacing, which means following a vehicle and estimating its speed. But the explanation given by the officer raises serious questions. The driver immediately stated that he was not going 65 miles per hour, and even pointed out that his dash cam records GPS data that shows his exact speed. Instead of presenting clear evidence, the officer simply repeated that he had paced the vehicle. And that's where things start to look questionable. Because if the officer was truly confident that a violation occurred, why wasn't a ticket issued in the end? Under traffic laws in many states across the United States, police officers are allowed to use pacing as a method to estimate a vehicle's speed. However, for that evidence to hold weight in court, the officer must follow the vehicle at a consistent distance and maintain a steady speed for a reasonable amount of time. If the officer has to accelerate just to catch up, or if the distance is too great, the reliability of that pacing claim can quickly fall into doubt.